What's the meaning of CinemaScope? CinemaScope. CinemaScope.
CinemaScope. CinemaScope. CinemaScope is a widescreen film format that was introduced in 1953. It uses an anamorphic lens to create a wider aspect ratio of 2.35 to 1, which is significantly wider than the standard 1.37 to 1 aspect ratio of most films at that time. The result is a more immersive and panoramic cinematic experience for audiences, with increased horizontal viewing space that allows for greater detail and visual impact. CinemaScope became a popular format for epic films and spectacles, and helped to revolutionize the way that filmmakers approached framing and composition in cinema.